Hi everyone, now we will solve two examples about probability. Firstly, we roll two dice. What's the probability of getting a sum greater than 9? So, first, second. Firstly, all the options that I can get. 6 results in here, 6 results in here, 36. So then, the results that I want, first, second. So I should consider every option. If the first is like 1, it can never be greater than 9. If the first is 2, the second can be at most 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, not greater than 9. So it doesn't work. If the first is 3, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, not greater. If the first is 4, then it will work for me. If the first is 4, second is 6, that's greater than 9. That's one option. I should consider all the options one by one. 4 and 5 doesn't work because it's equal to 9. So I finished checking the 4. What if the first is 4? Now I'm going to check 4. What if the first is 5? So it can be 5 and 4 equal to 9. It can be 5 and 5 and 5 and 6. That's going to be greater than 9. Then after checking for 5, this is done. I should check for 6. It can be like, it cannot be 6 and 3 because it's equal to 9. We can start from 6 and 4, 6 and 5, and 6 and 6. How many do we have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then the probability, what we want, all possibilities, 1 over 6.